So hi team, today I'm going to share the some of the topic which I started the system design for machine learning. So guys, please I request you to go through my Medium page. I have all the free contents, and today what I'm going to do is some of the parts. So I'm going to have a lot of videos. So this is like uh, you know mm, system design uh, for any like candidates video generation and the ranking candidates generation and ranking, right, for a video system. So here is the things, right? Candidates generation ranking model. What we are going to do, like candidate generation, generate potential recommendation for candidates, use collaborative filtering and content methods, and narrow down to um, some meaningful subset, right? And the rank, so the second is the ranking. First is based on the historical data, another is based on the ranking some machine learning model, right? So this is what we are going to talk, right? So there is a multi-stage. First is candidates generation model, which we are going to talk, right? So candidates, again, generation have features and training and model. Ranking also feature, training and model. So this is two things. And multi-stage model, so this is a user video and db, user video db, and millions of candidates generation service, right? The hundreds of here, and the ranking service here, video feature is here, the user is coming here, right? So dozen of video candidates, user watch history. So this is the one user. Let's take you go to YouTube, or then YouTube will suggest you, and YouTube also have historical things, right? There is two things here, so which we are going to talk. So user history is user video db is here, video feature is here, like ranking, right? Okay. So architecture diagram, video recommendation system is typically multi-stage approach for the scalability. Candidates generation filter the millions of video, smaller and relevant set to based on the user preference. So this is what this one is. Ranking order the filter of the candidate based how likely user is it watch them, right? That's what we need to ranking. There is millions of video, billions, and then we need to rank. And then first one is candidate generation. This two-step process ensure the both speed and accuracy, making go to strategy company like Google's, Facebook, we can say Meta, right, and Netflix. There is two stages, which I talk. The reason of two stages is make the system scalable. In the common pattern, you will see the menu of ML system. This is common system. So what we are going to, so this is like, guys, I'm not going to details, I'm going to very high levels. And when you giving the interview for system design for machine learning, you need to give this defined, like how you're going to generate, and this is how the diagram you need to make, right? The candidates model will find a relevant video to based on the user watch history and type of video user is watched. The ranking model is a optimized view the likelihood that's which you visit highly watch possibility. This is the ranking model, means which will give you highly, like you are going to watch. Candidate model means what you're going what you watch in the based on the history. Okay, so candidate generation model identify videos that match user viewing history, right? And for example, if you enjoy watching the tech tutorial, it will surface the tech related content. Feature engineering, each user has list of video watch, video minutes for videos, and minutes watch per minute, right? And input feature like watch video id, watch time, and interaction frequency. Training data, this is like feature engineering. For generating training data, you can make user video watch space. We can start with selecting period of data like last 6 months, and there should be fine balance between training and model accuracy. User video metrics, historical data like easy last 6 months. Balance between training time and accuracy, selecting the appropriate date range. Now model candidate generating convenient matrix. So this is, guys, you can go through it, right? So this is based on like some of the matrix factorization. So matrix factorization is class of collaborative filtering. It's algorithm recommendation system. Matrix factorization algorithm work with the decomposing of user item attractions or techniques, fun mutual. So this is the mathematics, and I'm highly recommend you to go through this one. This is very important for if you want to be expert in machine learning, right? So inverted index like Lucen's Elasticsearch in the quick retrieval, FAIS and Google Sense and efficiency. In practice, large scale like Facebook, Meta, We don't use collaborative filtering, preference, low recursive method, get the candidates. Example, leverage inverted index. So this is the inverted index, right? We did in mathematics. I studied in my 12th class, and yeah, ranking model, sorting and best recommendation. So now you have ranking model. You need to sort and best recommendation model your ranking model, right? During the interface, during the interface, the ranking model receive the list of videos candidates given by candidate generation model, right? Each candidate's ranking model estimate the probability that video is being to watch. It is the sorting video candidates. So this is how the difference between feature and feature engineering. Some people say watch videos. What features? Feature is like column, right? In the typical watch video IDs, video embedding feature we use video embedding. Historical search query, text embedding query, location, geolocation embedding, user associate features like age, gender, normalize, standardize, previous impression, normalize and standardize, time relevant feature, month, week of year, holiday, day of visa. So features, feature engineering, right? This is like next topic. Watch video, video analysis, historical search, query text embedding, geolocations and embedding user associates, genres and so many things. This is like embedding. What is embedding techniques? I have previous lecture, and you can see this lecture, right? So my embedding techniques, and in my previous lecture, if you go here, I do have embedding, and you guys can go here. So let me see. Okay, so it's here the topic, and you can go through this topic, and yes, you can use the watch history data and the models and so on. So this is how our model, like videos, time, user and context. This is our model. As the probability is 3.5, this is lower. And there is other topics, sigmoid. So if you study in your mathematics, ReLU 0 to infinity, sigmoid is 0 to 1s, and probability, interaction, entropies, and those lot of topics which I cannot cover, and which we need to like simple architecture of this diagram, user interaction, candidate generation model, ranking model, and top video users. So what next? So if you guys like, I mean, this is just high level, but my course is here. It is free, totally free, right, guys? Okay, so I'm going to talk about this the topic, right? So machine learning introduction, feature selection and feature engineering, training model interface, and video recommendation system. So statement and context which I have, generation matrix we have we here in my next lecture, video recommendation system, then feed ranking system, ad clicks and return search, and lot of topic I'm going to cover. So please watch and like and subscribe, follow. Thank you all.